CardioFlex Q10. Recommended purpose. CardioFlex Q10 helps to maintain and/or support cardiovascular health. Vitamin C helps form collagen and support immune function. L-lysine is an essential amino acid for maintenance of good health and helps collagen formation. Helps to reduce the recurrence of herpes simplex virus, HSV infection, e.g. cold sores. Magnesium helps the body to metabolize carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and maintain proper muscle function. Methyl tetrahydrofolate helps the body to metabolize proteins and form red blood cells. What does CardioFlex Q10 do? CardioFlex Q10 is a proprietary collagen precursor formula drink mix designed to promote the body's natural ability to produce collagen and repair connective tissues to support cardiovascular health. What does CardioFlex Q10 contain? CardioFlex Q10 contains amino acids, vitamins, electrolytes, CoQ10, a prebiotic and high antioxidant fruit powders. It is free of GMOs, sugar, gluten, preservatives, artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors. Recommended adult dose. Mix 10 grams, 1 scoop, into 250 to 500 milliliters, 1 to 2 cups, water or unsweetened fruit juice once daily, or as directed by your healthcare professional. Follow with 1 cup of water, use before breakfast and/or before and after workouts, and as your intermittent fasting hydrator. 3 great flavors: grape, orange, or cran blueberry. CardioFlex Q10 is non-GMO, keto-friendly, gluten-free, vegan, fasting-friendly, and provides immune support. Proudly manufactured in Canada following good manufacturing practices.